In this tutorial, we will cover how to upload data to Fire Insights. First, we need to go to the Data tab in the top left-hand side of the page. In the dropdown, we can now go to the File System. If your machine is connected to other services such as Snowflake or Databricks, those connections will also show up here in the dropdown. Using the buttons on the left-hand side of the screen, we can also change the directory which we are viewing. Now we will create a directory to keep our file system more organized. Once the directory has been created, it will show up in our file system. We can now click into our directory and upload our file here. When you upload a file, you can either drag and drop, or you can click the Browse button here to select a file or multiple files. Once we have selected the files which we want to upload, we can click the Upload All button. Once it has been uploaded, the machine will create a little message here in the top right-hand side to let you know that it has been uploaded successfully. We can now use this dataset in our workflows or to create datasets. Thank you for listening.